Namaste. We are excited to introduce the top class hot and cold technology from our flagship range in the D series. Engineered to keep you comfortable every season, whether scorching summer heat or freezing winter nights. This AC ensures you're at ease all year round. Experience exceptional versatility with this AC's wide operating range from freezing -10 degrees Celsius to scorching 50 degrees Celsius, which ensures that you stay perfectly comfortable even in extreme temperatures. This AC also features an auto defrosting cycle, which keeps the coils clean and dry, ensuring that the AC delivers an efficient and reliable performance. This AC also features a wide-angle louver movement, which ensures uniform airflow, covering more space in the room for uniform cooling. Now you can experience personalized comfort with 5-in-1 convertible cooling. This feature enables you to adjust the cooling capacity to match your preferences, ensuring optimal comfort regardless of the weather outside. The AI Pro feature is based on innovative and intuitive algorithms that help the AC to intelligently provide the utmost comfort while maximizing energy saving. The PM 2.5 filter with activated carbon removes fine pollutants, ensuring you always breathe pure and clean air. Powered by Hexa inverter technology, this AC features a robust compressor design that excels in high ambient temperatures, delivering enhanced performance along with significant energy savings even in the toughest conditions. Moreover, with the Smart Ready capability, installing an optional smart module can help you control your AC using voice commands, personalize your sleep settings, and manage multiple ACs. This AC also includes DigiQ Hepta sensors, which comprise 7 different sensors that work together to provide optimal comfort, protection, and extend the life of the AC. It's also equipped with 4-way swing to provide omnidirectional cooling, while TurboCool delivers an instant, powerful blast of cool air. Nano Blue Protect technology, paired with the anti-corrosive blue fins, offers superior protection against corrosion, enhancing the AC's durability and longevity. These features showcase Blue Star's dedication to quality, reliability, and durability, backed by more than 80 years of expertise in cooling solutions. We trust that this has been insightful and can't wait to welcome you to the Blue Star family.